with Amanda.
Thanks, guys, and absolutely we want to remember that lightning safety, especially as we go into the next few days where we do still see a possibility of a lingering thunderstorm here and there around our area. So definitely keep that in mind. If you see lightning or if you hear thunder, stay inside. That's all there is to it. All right, let's go ahead and recap our day today. We reached a high of 82 degrees. Our low was 66. Both are pretty much well above average for this time of year. I know it doesn't exactly feel like October out there. I had to be reminded today that it was almost November because it felt like June at some points. It was very muggy. And in fact, it still is muggy. We're looking at a humidity of 84%. That is due to this dew point being so close to our temperature. When the dew point and temperature get very close together, that means more moisture at the surface, and that's what makes it feel so muggy and oppressive out there. So currently around the Big Bend area, again, 78 in Tallahassee, 79 in Apalachicola. Now they're cooled off just a little bit closer to the coast because our winds are out of the southeast. It's kind of contributing to that sea breeze to bring their temperatures down. But as we move further inland, we're looking at Albany at 85, Dothan also at 85, and out to the east, Jacksonville too is seeing a temperature of 85 degrees. Now, our local radar, here was the big story today. We had this tornado watch off to the northwest, just west of our viewing area. And unfortunately, fortunately that did not reach us. We're glad for that. But unfortunately, there were a couple of tornado warnings. No confirmed reports of tornadoes right now, but as we've been talking about all evening, there's been tons of damage and even a few injuries from these storms. Now, as we go through the evening hours, this rain will begin to push out of our area. There's still a chance of a few lingering showers. The reason we didn't see rain as widespread in our area today as people were originally thinking was because we didn't quite get enough heating. We are very cloudy to start out the day, and that didn't allow our temperatures to raise up to make our atmosphere more unstable. So looking at the upper levels, now you noticed all that moisture we had at the surface. Well, at the upper levels, we have a lot of dry air over our area, and that's going to contribute to a chance of fog in the morning. We're looking at patchy fog around the area, so if you're heading out to work early in the morning and it's foggy, make sure you have those low beams on, not the high beams, and drive extra carefully tomorrow morning. Now, as we go to our precipitation forecast, you can again see the chance of rain kind of lingers around tonight and through the next few days. We can go ahead, there we go. And our next big story, an approaching cold front right here. This line of precipitation will be reaching us on Wednesday. Again, just a few scattered showers popping up across the area, but then we have cooler temperatures to look forward to. So for tonight, here's what you can expect. Still relatively high, low temperature, 67. Again, possibility of a lingering shower, slight winds out of the south. And as we move into tomorrow's forecast, we're going to be hitting the mid-80s, 86 at Tallahassee, just a 30% chance of rain. And again, that fog in the morning. Please be careful if you're driving out in the early morning hours. So quick look at our 7-day forecast. There's that fog tomorrow, rain chances diminishing through the week, and cooler temperatures by the weekend. How does that sound, guys?
Well,